DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo R-Design. It's the automatic with satellite navigation, finished in beautiful grey. Has just literally arrived, so the wheels are going to be fully refurbished. But apart from that, it's just been MOT'd and just been serviced. We're ready to go. It's got the twin exhaust, full R-Design body styling kit, bigger rear diffuser. Boot area is lovely. It's the D4, bigger horsepower. It's got the lovely half leather Alcantara with white stitch piping trim, all in beautiful condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Done 98,321 miles. Starts up lovely. Automatic, which is very rare. Got multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Automatic headlights. Heated seats. It's got aux and a USB. The navigation there, 3-stage heated seats, Bluetooth, climate control. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.